It's a related rates problem. Problem number 56. Crowd gathers around a movie star forming a circle. The radius of the crowd increases at a rate of 7 feet per second. So this is circular. And the first thing I'm noticing as I'm reading it is I'm trying to identify any of the givens or anything we're trying. So radius is increasing at a rate. That's dr dt. And it's 7 feet per second. So if you look at that carefully, feet per second, that's time is on the bottom, seconds, feet's on the top, and they told you it was radius. So that's a rate of change, okay? That's one thing they gave us. Another thing, how fast is the area increasing? That would be dA for area, and fast is a rate, so that's going to be dt. So that's another thing they gave you. And then when the radius is 7, r equals 7. Okay, so there you go. That's all the given information that they gave us. Next up is to come up with the equation. So we need an equation, and they said it forms a circle, and the problem has to do with area, so it's area equals pi r squared. Okay, take the derivative to get from a static situation to a changing situation. So dA dt, I'm sorry, we get dA dt on the left. Then we multiply the 2 times the pi and the r, drop the r squared down to r, and then dr dt. Okay? The next thing is to plug. Plug everything in that we know. So we don't know dA dt, but we do know the radius is 7, and the dr dt is also 7. And dA dt we will find by calculating. So if you do your math, you get, let's see, 49 times 2 is 98 pi. The units would be feet squared per second, because it's an area, so it's squared.